How to delete apps from PC and laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or uninstall apps that have been installed on your computer. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to remove apps from our computer. All we need to do is go down and right click the Windows Start button and then select Settings. Once in the settings here, in the left menu, select Apps and then select Installed Apps. You'll then see a full list of all the apps that are installed on your PC. You can search at the top for apps or even filter by date installed or size. Once you find the app you want to install, select the three dots to the right of the app and then select Uninstall. Confirm you want to uninstall this app. When you do that, some of the apps have their own installer that they use to uninstall. So if you get the screen that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes so that it can actually make the change of uninstalling the app. Each app will be different with its uninstall process, but you may need to confirm that you do indeed want to uninstall the app again. So do that. Then once you've successfully uninstalled the app, you'll see that it's no longer listed in the list of apps on your computer. If it's still listed here even after uninstalling it, go ahead and reboot your computer and then it should be gone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.